Hey everybody, welcome to Diabetes Toys. This episode I'm very excited for. We'll be looking at these two guns here. This one, this cowboy one, I don't really know who either of these are from. I'm pretty sure they're made by the same people because they both take the same bullets. So here's how these work. You pull back the little lever on them, like right here. Then the gun will pop open like so, and you can load the bullets up. Now I've of course already done that, so hang on a second, let me just fix this here. These guns are of course fake, but they kind of make a little, they make a little pop sound, but they are of course fake, as I'll show you here.